This video is going to show you how to complete a project within SIMnet. I'm currently looking at my intermediate Excel class CIS 135, and as you can see I have chapters and assignments grouped by chapter. So I'm just going to select my first chapter 1, and I have 1, 2, 3 different various projects. What you do is you go ahead and click on the project to open it up, and the first thing you need to do is you can download and read these best practices. Once you finish that, we have instructions for if you're using a Windows computer or instructions if you're using a Mac. I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to go ahead and click that link to open up my instructions. I'm going to click Open to open the actual instructions using Adobe Acrobat. So, I'm waiting for that to open. Okay, so here are the instructions that I need to complete. I'm now going to go ahead and minimize this. And now what I need to do is open up my start file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the start file to open. It says Open with Excel. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And give it a minute and it will open up into Excel. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and maximize that window and enable my editing. Now, what I'm going to do is I first want to save this file. So I'm going to do a quick File, Save As, and browse to locate a place to save it on my hard drive. I'm going to go ahead and put it in Documents, my Documents folder. And I have a folder for CIS 135. And I'm just going to create a new folder called Homework. Or you could call it Projects or Assignments. And I'm just going to go ahead and save that file in there. So now it's no longer a read-only file. So now I'm going to go ahead and snap this file to the right. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my instructions file and put it off to the, do my Excel file to the left and my instructions to the right. Okay, so it told me to open up that file and it says remove the split and freeze the panes. So what I'm going to do is click over here. I'm going to go over to View and I'm just going to say second. I want to unsplit it, so I'm going to unclick the split button. So now my window is no longer split. Okay. It tells me to click in cell A4 and it tells me to freeze the pane. So I'm going to go click my view, click freeze panes, freeze panes. Alright, it told me to view, choose freeze panes. There's a solid border now between rows 3 and 4. I'm good. If I come down here and I scroll to 31, you can see that rows 1, 2, and 3 are still on the window. Okay. Scroll to row 31, it says, and click in cell E31. So I'm going to click in cell E31 and I'm going to update it to the value of 3. I'll hit enter. I'm going to go Control Home. I'm going to click Save to save those steps. Now, you can then continue to do the rest of the start with step 3, 4, and continue this. I'm going to say that I think I'm finished. So, what I now want to do is I'm going to take this file and I'm going to upload it. So I've saved it. I'm going to go ahead and close it. I'm going to come back to my SIMnet. I'm going to say Upload my file. Okay, I uploaded it to CIS 135 and I put it in the Homework folder and there's my file. I'm going to click Open and it says, are you sure you want to submit? Yes, submit the file. The nice thing about SIMnet, it is automatically graded. Now I know I didn't complete this, so I know I'm not going to get a perfect score. But what you can see is that it's telling me, oh, it's telling me I actually didn't do anything. So, okay, so I would have to continue and do each step again, all right? So probably I needed to do, okay? So that's how you submit your files, upload and submit your files.